Dear students, congratulations for your admission in the esteemed University of Russia through the best MBBS admission consultancy, Yash Overseas. Now, as you all are excited about your traveling to Russia, Yash Overseas would like you to give the demo about the things to keep in mind for traveling. You all need to follow the guidelines very strictly. First, you should know about the baggage you carry with you. Total weight that can be carried in flight as mentioned in your e-ticket. Excess baggage will attract a penalty of rupees 1,800 kilograms and more. Hand baggage of 7 kilograms or 10 kilograms should not include cosmetics, liquids, paste, syrups, oil or any liquid items, liquid eatables, metal items, razors, trimmers or any sharp items. Note: only one hand baggage is allowed, including laptop. Carry enough pickles, ghee and snacks of your choice or any other food item only in check-in baggage. All Russian universities' hostels have kitchen facilities. Hence, student must carry atta, rice, dals and masalas for self-cooking. If you love poha, upma and basin items, carry them as you don't get them in Russia. Very important, power bank, chargers and cables should be carried only in hand baggage, strictly not in check-in baggage. Keep your currency in handbag or in the jeans pocket. Never keep the currency in the check-in baggage. List of items to carry. Yash Overseas has the proper list of more than 60 items to carry. We have already provided you the list, or you can ask the admin office about the same. Documents need to carry: 10th mark sheet, 12th mark sheet, passport, visa. Passport will be handed over at airport, if not sent by courier before or handed over to you. 30 passport size color photographs in white background. Need result printout. Admission letter printout. Invitation letter printout. Birth certificate. Ticket printout. Dollar exchange receipt keep in handbag. Medical fitness certificate and test reports. Few universities require these, not all. Please ask us about it. Keep all above documents in soft copy and hard copy in the handbag only. If any new update come, we will inform you. Students should reach airport before 4 to 5 hours of the departure time. Keep your mobile fully charged, and as you reach at airport, we make group on WhatsApp and inform you any update by messages. Important winter clothes to carry while traveling: winter jacket, muffler, monkey cap. Students should buy winter clothes upon arrival at university. Student must wear winter clothes from India till reaching the university. Check the weather online before the departure day. Most important, student must compulsory carry university fee with them and pay immediately upon arrival at university hostel to our office person only. Note: presently no SWIFT/TT transfers available to Russia. No international debit credit forex card are working in Russia. Sending via other means is very expensive and risky, and we don't advise such things. Migration card issued when entering Russia. Please make sure that no one loses it at the airport. There were cases. Without migration card, you cannot get registration in the hostel. So you must be happy and waiting to fly your dream. Pack your bags and chase your dreams. Good luck and have a very bright future. Future doctor. Thank you.